All bikes have one thing in common. They always look their best after a good clean. Veloclean is a versatile solution for manual bike cleaning and pre-cleaning. Veloclean can be used as a self-service station with payment terminal, or for professional use in bike rental or repair shops. A water air jet rapidly and reliably removes even caked-on dirt and mud. Water consumption from 2 liters per bike. Dirt and wastewater are collected for environmentally responsible disposal. The ergonomic operating height makes the system comfortable to use, even for minor service work. Veloclean can be used anywhere, both indoors and outdoors, even without a compressed air connection and running water, as the compressor, water tank, and cleaning agent container are built in. Veloclean is a bike service from WINTERSTEIGER, part of a range of innovative solutions for the hygienic drying of sportswear and work attire, for the convenient space-saving storage of bicycles, and end-to-end software for bike rentals. Veloclean, professional cleaning for every bike.